Welcome to Unit 7. This unit is about favourites. My favourite city is Rome. I like Milan too, but I think Rome is more beautiful, and it's sunnier. My favourite book is Great Expectations. I love most of the books by Charles Dickens, but I think Great Expectations is the best. What are your favourites?
Well, my favorite sport is football. I'm really passionate about it, and every time that is possible, I try to watch it.
I love playing basketball and watching films with my friends.
I'm in love with dancing and I dance all the time.
In this unit, we'll focus on describing people, places, and things using comparative and superlative adjectives. We'll also look at how to use the question structure, what, like. What's your hometown like? My hometown, Manchester, is quite big. It's not as big as London, but it's one of the most popular student cities in the world. It's a fantastic place for music and nightlife. Have you ever heard the saying, the best things in life are free? In listening and speaking, you'll listen to 3 people talking about the best things in their lives that don't cost anything. Stunning landscapes, fairy tale castles, Loch Ness. Can you guess which country I'm thinking about? Scotland, of course. Have you ever been? Watch the video and find out more about this beautiful country. Vocabulary in speaking looks at synonyms and antonyms for common adjectives. Can you think of other words that mean the same as good? What about words that mean the opposite of good? By learning synonyms and antonyms, you'll increase your vocabulary range and your English will become more fluent. What would you like to do this afternoon? Shall we go to the cinema? In everyday English, you'll practice making and responding to suggestions. Mr. Class, you can go online to look at the material again and do the online activities. Are you ready? Let's get started.